Forget the myth of Band 7 vocabulary. Let's explore what really works. Students speak to me who think there is a thing called Band 7 vocabulary and Band 8 vocabulary, but there isn't, because there is no magic vocabulary for Band 7, and using a special Band 7 vocabulary doesn't raise your score. Precision does, using the correct vocabulary at the correct time. I see things like this a lot online. The idea that there is Band 5 vocabulary and Band 7 and above Band 7, it's just not true. There's an idea that these words are better, but they're not. These words in Band 5 are fine. Band 7 writers can use them. Here's an example of a problem here in thinking in this way. Weather and climate do not mean the same thing. Weather is not a Band 5 word and climate a Band 7 word. They're different words with different meanings. And as for this term in green, that's a very, very precise term. And if you try to use that in the wrong place, you're actually just going to make your writing worse. Similar thing here. It looks like animals is a Band 5 word and biodiversity is a Band 7 word. But they don't mean the same thing. They're not the same. Getting to Band 7 is not about using harder words or better words. It's about using the right word more precisely. I'm going to show you some examples now to explain that. That sentence on the left is a Band 5 or 6 sentence. I decided to keep the item and redesign it and use it for something else. This is where one of the words on the right could be useful, because we can replace all that text in blue with this word here. I decided to keep the item and repurpose it, because repurpose means redesign something and use it for something else. So that's Band 7 writing, actually using the precise word to get the precise meaning and actually use fewer words to get the precise meaning that you want. Here's an example of where trying to use this supposed Band 7 vocabulary goes wrong. This student here has written, "It's important to repurpose our household waste," but that's not what they mean. That's the wrong word. I think they meant this. It's important to recycle household waste. That's the correct word. Yeah? This time, the Band 5 word is correct because it's precise. So yes, it's good to learn new vocabulary, always. But it's not a good idea to think that some vocabulary is wrong or a low band. Learn to use vocabulary precisely. All vocabulary is useful if you use it in a precise way. Now, if you need some guidance on your writing and your vocabulary, then maybe a free consultation with me might be the place for you to start. I help IELTS learners improve all the time through personalised writing feedback or short 5-lesson courses on their writing, or personalised video lessons for those who don't want face-to-face lessons. So visit my website or my Instagram if you want to explore those options to help push your IELTS writing up to Band 7.